Miller.
I have something I think you'd be interested in.
Martin Brown, CIA.
Roy Miller.
So what happened?
Well, this morning I came face to face with the Jack of Clubs. We hit the house. The guy was there.
Then what happened?
These special forces guys flew in and snatched him.
This goes way higher up than your people, all right?
Thought we were all on the same side.
It's a little more complicated than that.
Clark Poundstone, Pentagon Special Intelligence.
Poundstone's unit are hunting something. We gotta figure out what it is.
So how you gonna get to him?
I'm not. You are.
Bring in anyone you can. There's $1 million. Spread some cash. We need to work fast on this.
What do you know?
The truth.
He doesn't want the truth to get out.
Stay out of this, Miller. People are watching.
Damn it! They've taken him.
I know what you did.
What do you want me to do? Take that son of a bitch out.
Copy that? This is a kill, no capture mission.
What the hell are you playing at?
We're not turning back.
I got him. You have no idea what you're dealing with.